So this is just a quick video to show you how to use Socrative because a few people have asked. So first thing, you just go to socrative.com and you're going to do the teacher login. And mine's just set as my usual email and password. So you can do sign in with Google, put in your school email, or I think once you've done that once, it will remember it for you. Okay, so when you open it, you get a few different options. So with the students, you could do a quiz, a space race, an exit ticket. I don't even really know what these are. I only ever just use the quiz one. I think this is for the end of lessons, etc. So what you need to do is, or I find it easier, is to make the quiz before the lesson. So I've just done a quick one here. So there's 3 questions. What style is this piece of music? And then 3 options. Write down 3 of the instruments you can hear. What features of this piece of music grabbed your attention? So you could do this as soon as the students come into the lesson. You could do it in the middle of the lesson, the end of the lesson, just to check that they kind of understand whatever you're working on, or maybe to introduce a topic and see how much people know, that kind of thing. So if you do that and you've got that done, then you go to launch quiz and then you choose the quiz you want to do. Okay, and then there's a few different options here. I normally do open navigation. That means the students can answer the questions as quickly or slowly as they want. But require names is useful because then you can see who it is. Teacher paced, you choose how fast they answer the questions. So you start that. Okay, so the idea now is the students would log in. So I'm going to do this on my phone at the same time. So if I go on my phone to Socrative.com, log in, student login, and it will say the room name. The room name is this. So for me, it's Highland Moo. I think you can choose that, or it just makes one up for you. I can't remember, but it's always written at the top, so it's really easy to see. So it says enter your name. So I'm putting in Will, and you see that come straight up. So the idea is I'd be playing the music, or you'd be showing a video, or people would be performing, or etc. Whatever you want. So I'm gonna click that. I'm gonna say that I could hear a piano and a guitar, and then I'm gonna say what features of this music grabbed your attention. Let's say it had a catchy drum beat. Okay, so I just filled that in really quickly. And then it shows what answers I put. So you could have the whole class here, show names, and you'd be able to see in a big list who wrote what really quickly. So you don't have to ask for the answers from everyone. You don't have to collect it in. Back to results table, and then you can, once you finish, you end it, and then you can export it if you want. So you can do individual. So this is quite good. You can copy it, you can put it in OneNote, etc. So that's it. It's pretty easy to use. So you could do it for looking or listening to something. You could do it while students are performing or demonstrating something. Everyone's answering questions, so everyone has to be involved in the kind of assessment part. There's lots of different ways you can use it, but I think the main point is really quick, and doesn't take much time at all to set up. So hopefully that's helpful. If you want any more help, just feel free to ask. and I can show you again or any other features. All right, thank you.